How can you help babies strengthen their core? It's simple. Do tummy time. Tummy time is a great core exercise for 0 to 6 month old babies. This is because it encourages baby to engage their back and abdominal muscles to lift their head, look around, and explore. Try these fun tummy time activities to help baby work on their core strength. Use mirrors. Baby loves to look at faces, including their own. Hold a small mirror in front of baby while they're on their tummy. When it catches their attention, move the mirror slowly from side to side so baby turns their head to track it. Play peekaboo. Place baby tummy down on a blanket on the floor. Get down on baby's level with your face in front of theirs. Play a good old-fashioned game of peekaboo to encourage head lifting. Tummy time on the floor is the best way to help babies strengthen their core muscles. And babies should do most of their tummy time this way by 3 months. However, there are other positions you can try if your newborn is having trouble, such as the tummy down carry or tummy to tummy. Try this tummy time activity if baby is having trouble on the floor. Hold baby in a tummy down carry with one hand under their tummy and between their legs. Talk to baby as you lift them up, down, and side to side. If baby isn't able to lift their head on their own yet, you can still play this game. Just be sure to keep their head higher than their hips. Download the pathways.org Baby Milestones app to see activities designed by experts to help baby reach milestones. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and check out our other social media accounts in the description below. It's never too early or too late to get baby on the right pathway.